magical multiplication quest. Dear friends, are you having a good evening? Mine is well as well. My name is Angelique and call me your friend. I'm just your friend. I like kids all over the world, so I decided to read a story for you. This evening, I'm reading a story about the magical multiplication quest. Are you curious to know what is a quest? A quest is about searching for something. Maybe if something is lost or whatever. So, without delaying, let's get into it. Here are the characters in this story. The first one is Gianni, a clever boy who loves numbers. The second one, Gila, a cheerful girl who loves to read and teach. Third one, Giela, a curious girl who's full of energy. And the fourth one, who's the last, is called Giba, a strong and kind boy who loves snacks and naps, just like me, the mysterious map. One sunny morning in Kigali town, Gianni found an old map hidden under a loose brick in the backyard. He quickly called his friends. Gila! Giela! Giba! Come quick! I found something amazing here. Gila hurried over with a book in her hand. Giela dashed down the street and Giba strolled in, yawning and holding a cookie. It's a magical map, Gianni explained. It leads to the Tower of Times, where the multiplication medallion is hidden. The what? Giba mumbled with crumbs on his chin. It's a medallion that gives you the power to multiply anything, Gila explained. It's math magic. The path of puzzles. The map led the friends to an old stone archway in the park. A large talking statue blocked the way. Its eyes glowed as spoke a riddle. I am not just adding. I am groups of the same. If you solve my puzzles, you'll win the game. Then 3 ropes dropped down, each with colorful stones tied to them. Puzzle number 1 for Gianni. The statue said, if you have 3 baskets, and each basket holds 4 apples, how many apples do you have? Gianni scratched his chin. 3 groups of 4. That's 3 times 4. 12 apples. The rope glowed and curled away. Correct. Gila's giant grid. Next came a glowing floor made of squares. To cross, Gila had to answer another puzzle. Puzzle number 2 for Gila. If there are 5 bookshelves and each shelf holds 6 books, how many books are there in total? Is it 5 times 6 is 30? There are 30 books. Splendid! The floor lit up and the path cleared. Giela's treats. They entered the garden where dozens of fruit trees swayed in the breeze. Puzzle number 3 for Giela. If 4 trees each drop 7 mangoes, how many mangoes fall altogether? Giela bounced with excitement. That's 4 times 7 equals 25. No, 28 mangoes. Mangoes rained down in celebration. Correct, said a voice from the wind. Gibber's big moment. At last, the friends reached a gate guarded by a sleepy old man with a golden key. Only one puzzle, the man yawned. Only one puzzle. Puzzle number 4 for Gibber. If you eat 2 cookies every day for 8 days, how many cookies do you eat? Gibber's eyes widened. Wait, that's like having 2 cookies 8 times? 2 times 8 equals 16 cookies. Yum! Deliciously right. The man laughed at the gate, and the gate opened wide. Ha 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 ha. The Tower of Times. They finally arrived at the Tower of Times. At the top was a shimmering multiplication medallion. As they placed their hands on it, the tower spoke. You've shown that multiplication is just smart additional groups of things, nice and neat. Help make counting really sweet. Suddenly, their minds lit up with multiplication tables from 1 to 12. They saw how numbers danced and connected. The lesson they learned. Gianni, Gila, Giela, and Giba cheered. They had learned that multiplication is just repeated addition. 3 times 4 is like 4 plus 4 plus 4. Then 5 times 6 is like 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. It's counting in groups, fast and smart. Epilogue. Math Heroes of Kigali. Back in Kigali, the friends used their new skills to help others. Giela counted fruit at the market in seconds, just in seconds. Gila taught younger kids how to multiply. Gianni invented a group counter machine. And Giba, well, he used it to count cookies. So the town became brighter, sharper, and full of fun. The end, or should we say, the times table begins. Thank you, kids, for following. Did you like the story, like me? I hope you liked it the way I liked it. So, see you in the next video. Until next time, bye-bye.